Hey, do you want to learn how to enable AMD Virtualization, which is actually called SVM instead of Hyper-V, on your MSI motherboard? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, so click on your Windows icon and restart your PC. While it is on black screen, start pressing the delete button on your keyboard. Now this depends on your motherboard specification, but it should be delete, F8, escape, or F10 to enter into BIOS. Now I've got MSI motherboard, and on the left hand side, I'm going to click on the overclock, then go into advanced CPU configuration, go inside it, and you will see SVM mode here. It's currently enabled, but you need to click on it. If it is disabled, you need to press on enabled. Then you're going to get a pop-up, or on the top right, I'm just going to press on the escape or the X button. To save it, I'm going to press on yes, and now it's going to restart the PC again. And this time you have successfully enabled the AMD virtualization, that is SVM. And that's it. That's how to enable the AMD virtualization, that is Hyper-V, in your MSI motherboard BIOS. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And on the right side, you're going to see more tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.